I'm here today to present my journey at University of West London and the foundation year of creative sector. I am Matteo Bollino and this is my presentation about graphic design. I will briefly summarize the plan of today. We will see my mood board, the graphic design industry, what I think is connected to it, the company that I create for this foundation year. There are no whip tech, fashion tech, where I took my inspiration for my project, the project and my idea and proposal, and of course the production. The graphic design industry, as you can see in my mood board, is an industry based on creativity. So is everything connect between each other. There is no limits, as you can see, the limits for the collaboration between departments. This is what we always aspire, is the creation of something new. The graphics design industry is a big industry. It means that in every moment is in development and is in continuous growth, and always to explore new material, new product, and the creation of the new technology as well. As you can see, these are a few of the industry that we can find in graphic design. The few departments that we can analyze is marketing and advertisement, video editing, cinema, web design, game design, photography, fashion design, architecture, interior design, poster and printing. There are many more, but all of them, they can always collaborate between each other, have always connection. For example, for game design, there will be always more department into it, working like coding. There will be like setting for places, the character designing, and of course all the details for the connection with it. Now we'll talk about my company. I create a limited company for this program of the creative sector. I create a limited company because of the idea that is exploring and how to communicate, and the main project and aiming of the company is to create a network to work with. So the idea to this network is to find partnership and collaboration between other bigger company, so we can create a new product together and have a partnership. As you can see on this side, there is our logo. Our logo is based on the fox, as we take in the name, and of course the colors are reminding friendly and trust. So this is what we aspire to, the trust of people, and creating a network to work with everyone. Just to impress is the idea that I had watching this movie. As you can see in the pictures, this movie is Captain Marvel starring Brie Larson, the 2019. This idea is to create a dress that changes in color by the choice of the owner, and this is what is a mixture between fashion and technology. As you can see, this is our idea for the sketch. The sketch is based on the same technology that you see on the previous pictures, where is the panel of control where the owner can change the dress as the color. The dress will not change it, only the colors. We create the concept of having a grid between the fabric that will allow the owner to change the color. As you can see on the left side, this is our idea how it should look like, and when we are finding the right fabric. On the right side, you see the final product where this grid is being created, and how will look like on a model. I will talk about briefly the Anouk Whip Tech Fashion Tech. This is a company created from a Dutch designer and innovator that is working with a new emerging field, the fashion tech. There is a combination of fashion design combined with engineering, robotics, and science. This designer, he's experiencing new creation. As you can see, for example, the spider dress that you see in the picture is an example of technology that is made with this structure in the neck that is made an idea of spider, the spider arms, and on this dress there are sensors that is they're feeling if something is get too close to the body of the person, and is they're spreading out as to announce that the boundary of the personal space is being broken. The fashion tech definition that the owner of this company has it is the combination between fashion and technology and interaction design. So it means that the aiming of this technology is to create a dialogue between body, surrounding, and how it can be used in this time. This is an innovation for the field. We shape technology, and technology also shape us. This is a quote from the designer that created the company, and I think it's a brilliant sentence because it is always true. We shape technology for our future, but this technology is shaping us always. So we are always kind of one after the other. We cannot change that. It's always following us. My proposal is about this dress, the changing color by itself with technology. So our aim is to create a partnership with Anouk with Tech Fashion Tech, and this is the collaboration between the graphic design, fashion design, and engineering department. So our idea is to create this product based on similar attitude of the sportswear, where there is the grid in the fabric where it's keeping the body warm when you exercise to don't cause any issues with it. So our idea is to replace this grid with the color one that is will allow the material and all the fabric to change the color with it. As you can see in the GIF on the side, this is what will look like as the owner choose the color. We'll talk about production. Production, because this technology doesn't exist yet, the pre-production of it will be based on the teams and how they meet each other, and how to plan between department design and engineering, how to progress together for research of materials. The production will be the actual making of the model and how it's supposed to work. And the post-production will be the actual delivery to the public, where the people can use it and be actually always be wearing it as they must like. These are my reference, all my pictures, and where I took from. Most of them are made by me and my company. The rest are taken from others. Thank you for listening. This was my presentation on University of West London for my foundation year. Thank you.